Má swinnig tú riamh ar cad as a tháinig anam na hÉireann. If you've ever wondered where the name Ireland comes from, know cad as a tháinig an focal éire, or where the Irish word for Ireland, éire, comes from. Tain an freagra siar go mythosoliacht na hÉireann. The answer goes back to Irish mythology. Agus i grí lár an scéal sin tá bandia dar banam Ériu, and at the centre of that story is a goddess named Ériu. Sa bhí an seo, bran ómuid ar bhunús na focal éire agus Ireland. In this video, we'll look at where the words éire and Ireland come from. Céhí Ériu, who was Ériu, agus conas a chruthig mythosoliacht anam na tíre seo, and how mythology created the name of this country. Éirinn, a sin, a dó, a trí. Tagan an focal béarla Ireland ón vocal Gaeilge éire. The English word Ireland comes from the Irish word éire. Agus tagan éire hain ó anam Banba I mythosoliacht na hÉireann. And éire itself comes from a goddess in Irish mythology. Éiriú an tanama bhíorthaí, and she was called Éiriú. The rare na sean scialta faoi Tuatha Dé Danann. According to old legends about the Tuatha Dé Danann, the tribe of the gods, bhí Éiriú ar gcoinne de Banba na hÉireann. Éire was one of the goddesses of Ireland. Trúr drafuracha bhí an, Éiriú, Banba agus Fódla. They were three sisters, Éiriú, Banba and Fódla. Nuair a tháinig na céad daoine go hÉireann, when the first people arrived in Ireland, Dear Éiriú go nanam nófaí an Tileán ina dhí hain. Éiriú asked for the island to be named after her. Sidera úsáidú Éiriú níos minicha. In the end, Éiriú became the name most often used. Agus le himach dama d'urbair sé sin ina éire. Over time, it evolved into éire. Níos déanaí fós, d'urbair an bhéarla a lagan hain den anam. Later on again, English developed its own version of the name. Cuireadh an focal Gearmánach land ar éire. The Germanic word land was added to éire. Agus as sin a tháinig Ireland, and from that came Ireland. Mar sin tá anam na tíre seo ceangailte le mythosoliacht orsa. So this country's name is linked to ancient mythology. Bhí Éiriú mar Bandia na talún agus na bhlachasa. Éiriú was the goddess of land and of sovereignty. I tradiisiún orsa rinne Personified ar Éirinn mar bhan. In old traditions, Ireland was often personified as a woman. Feictar sin níos déanaí I bhiliocht agus in Éirinn na hÉireann. You can see this later in Irish poetry and art. Mar sin nuair a labhair daoine faoi Éiriú, so when people spoke about Éiriú, bhí si the kind faoi Éirinn féin freisin. They were also speaking about Ireland itself. Tá an smaoinemh sin le feiceáil go minic I gcultúr na hÉireann, and that idea appears often in Irish culture. Lead on lei, tip of the day. Feicimid formacha éagsúla den ocal fós inniu. We still see different forms of the word today. Mar shampla cílín éire, Ireland. For example, éire means Ireland, ach uaireanta aithríonn na litriú de réir na gramadí. But the spelling sometimes changes with grammar. Mar shampla cílín in Éirinn, in Ireland. For example, in Éirinn means in Ireland, agus cílín na hÉireann, of Ireland, and na hÉireann means of Ireland. Ifrásaí cosúla bratach na hÉireann. For example, in phrases like bratach na hÉireann, the flag of Ireland, or the Irish flag. Tá na hathruithe seo anchuitínta sa Gaeilge. These changes are very common in Irish. Tarlíonn siad de réir ról an ochel san Abert, and they happen depending on the word's role in a sentence. Mar sin ní anam tíre randomach é Ireland. So, Ireland is not just a random country name. Tagann sé ó mythosoliacht teanga agus star orsa. It comes from language, mythology, and ancient history. Agus nuair atá scéal Éirú ar ólascut, and once you know the story of Éirú, mohíonn anam na tíre seo níos tábhachtaí. The country's name feels much more important. Agus más mála dúchláin a chur and if you'd like to challenge yourself, tá leagan clachtaí agus leagan lán Ghaeilge den Íseán seo. I've made an Irish practice version and a full Irish version ar fáil do bhail ag an nasc híos, available at the link below. Slán go fóill, a sin, a dó, a trí.